We are live. Oké.
Voor de stream.
Oké, abonnement. Ja, kijk, nu wel. In één klap.
Ja, toch.
In één
Oké
klap.
dan.
Delen in de groep van WhatsApp en zo, waar je in zit. Waar is de link vast? Ja, ik heb hem al gedeeld.
WhatsApp.
Vast is dit een
WhatsApp niet jalla. WhatsApp niet dat link.
join. Wacht even, ik stuur ook naar jou toe. Delen, WhatsApp, Robin. Let's go. Let's go. Ja. Okay. Join. Yeah, let's get a few minutes till everyone joins. We're starting quite a bit of people to join, guys. So
Of course. Get it.
give it a bit. Hey, yo, guys. Igor is the real G, joining once again,
Yeah.
the first one.
Oh, your brother.
Damn, of course. For being the first one. For being the first one, I'm gonna send you 100 euros. No.
Hey, okay, it's recorded.
No. I ain't sending shit. Bro, this mask is becoming a bit more hard, you know? I'm gonna buy a new one, I think.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's kinda...
I think you can buy a new one now. Right?
Hey, I got some bucks. Hey, I got your words, man. No.
That's your words.
I'm gonna send you. I'm gonna show you. I wanted to send you, but I'm gonna show you. I don't know how. How can we do this? How can we do this? Is it showing well? Yes, it is showing well. Yeah.
Let me get it. It looks a bit less high quality, but the quality is insane.
Yeah, it's quite good. I think I'm gonna log in on your computer with my Telegram and then just show the people. I think it's gonna be nice.
Then I can pretend to be you.
Yeah, you could.
I'm the guru.
You're the guru, right? Looks good. Okay. Matthijs back again.
Hey.
Bro, Igor, trust me, the second scheme from the school, but I'm gonna log in now into his laptop and then just show you guys. It's looking absolutely crazy. Once he finishes with spamming people, I will show you guys right here, right now. And then, yeah. Are you done, my friendo?
I think so, yeah.
Alright. So we got, 3 minutes live, that's perfect. People joining, that's good.
Excellent connection.
Uitstekende verbinding.
Uitstekende verbinding.
Yeah. So that's good. Yeah, guys, please do us a favor. If you guys have any friends that are off or whatever, send them this link, let them join, and we can start. But in the meantime, Robin, you can talk. I'm gonna make this setup here to put your my looking good, lads. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Thanks,
He
boy.
said it for me, though, not for you.
Hey! The guy behind the mask.
How the fuck can I log in? Okay. Oh, you still have this gay fucking shit.
This gay shit.
Yeah. You should download the other app.
Telegram Lite.
Yeah. No, this
You're
is
a light
light.
guy?
No, this is light.
Oh, that's Lite. Okay.
This is light.
I've seen the Lite.
I showed you the light.
Do not pick at the charge yet. We're gonna show it
Jongen,
soon.
hoe de fuck apparaten hier? computer. Sorry.
Not many pictures of our community.
Yeah, go to panel whale chat.
Hey. Stats bar.
Yeah, panel whale chat.
Panel wheelchair.
Brother.
Hey. Flaming.
And then click here. Just here, yeah. And then scroll, yeah. Then click there. And then click here. Let the people enjoy what we've got. Yeah, of course we're gonna look at Tatsu. Of course we're gonna look at Tatsu. Hello. Look at this. I know because of the YouTube thing it won't really show well, but trust me, in person, it
Clean 4K Call of Duty title.
I swear, no, it definitely looks AA. Like it definitely looks AAA quality. And wait for the second one. There's a second skin coming in as well, with a fucking insane textures. Oh my god, and the detail as well. So you can already see the detail going like really good.
And if you're early joining the chat, you saw the progress made in the past couple of months. Like
100%.
we started in November
Yeah.
for this shit, and then it was looking AA already.
Here
But
it
now some additional features, right?
Yeah.
Holy shit!
Bro, look at this, how clean it is.
Nobody's
bro.
seen it yet, right?
No, nobody. Like literally out of the whale chat, nobody's seen it.
But nobody didn't see it.
Oh, nobody didn't see it yet.
Yeah.
Nobody didn't see it yet.
Finally looking lit.
Bro, it's looking insane. It's looking absolutely insane. By the way, Matthijs, once this video finishes, I want you to go to Twitter and look at Big Tensor, not Big Tensor, sorry, Tatsu Twitter. Although maybe I'll just show it to you here, guys, and that's it. But for the people that didn't buy Tatsu yet, this is a great moment to step in, guys. This is a great moment to.
And this guy is playing like a bot, but if you're like sweating and playing a 1v1, it's way more tense, way more. Like the gameplay is
Definitely. Look at this, absolutely insane. But before continuing, yeah. So this is Tatsu.
You see how many chats you are, right?
Bro, you gotta do the research. You know what I'm saying? you gotta be in there.
That's where you found the newbies, right?
That's, bro. I got so triggered in the morning. I swear.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna do it again. But guys, this is huge news. From my account, I already. Oh.
This is my second account.
Yeah. We're nearly there, currently onboarding a verified validator on the BitTensor network to obtain the API keys, which will allow Tatsu to access several subnets at the same time. We are builders, we keep building. This guy, by the way guys, don't react on this link, right? These guys are scammers, you can see it here, right? 26k. The real account has a little over 5.5k followers, and it's a verified. But you know, the verified you can buy.
And we are following it.
Yeah.
If you follow us, you can see that it's verified.
Now you're following.
But look at Robuka's account, not mine account.
Exactly. Yeah. Look at mine. Because I look at mine account.
I thought that it's scrolling fast, you know. This
Yeah.
really guys.
Maybe you have me in here. Yeah. Maybe we can show my Twitter later. I rarely post there. I do actually.
Just type in God Ultra Buko.
Yes. Yeah. Yesterday they shared this news that they were doxing the team, so they are going live now. These guys are serious. These guys are going to stay here. These guys are going to make us big fucking bucks. I tell you that. Especially in 2 weeks, there's like this AI event of Nvidia, which is going to be insane for all the AI tokens, in my opinion. And GHX is going there, Gamercoin. So if you guys don't have that, Gamercoin, I would recommend you to get yourselves a bag. Though Tatsu is a smaller market cap, so I definitely also actually.
You guys are still fucking early on Tatsu.
I'm not sure which one is smaller now. To be honest, I think let's check it out. Yeah.
Oh, the Chrome, bro.
Yeah, exactly. Here, and then here. Can you open Etherscan? Okay. Oh, Etherscan. I meant CoinGecko. Sorry. Been tracking too many wallets lately. And then do Gamercoin.
We'll find like this. Yeah.
75%.
Hey, motherfuckers.
But market capitalization 93 million. Damn, bro. I've been in this shit since 15 cents.
What? 93 million?
Bro. Oh. We're living
The market, bro.
Bro, I've been in there since fucking 18 million.
My statement used to always be, I'm not investing in any market cap above 50 with our old portfolio.
Yeah, but I've been there since for 18 million, so that's why I'm not investing in it. I was invested in it before it became this. So yeah, this is nice. This is not, sorry, Igor. By the way, I showed him this coin when it was 2 cents. No, 2.5 ish. He wanted to wait for a bit of retracement. That retracement quite didn't came, and it left. But he got Pano at a great price. I think he even tripled his money. He got Realio at a great price. I think he doubled his money already by now. So Igor, my guy, got you, man. And then Aziz, also a guy that I know, bought Tatsu literally right with me, and motherfucker made big bucks as well with me.
I've helped Christian in the chat very early.
I've helped actually also quite a few people that have been texting me in the on the ends. So yeah, guys, don't feel shy. If you guys have any questions, just DM. I might take a bit time to react these days because it's just been super busy with tracking other chats, other projects, investigating, researching. So it might take me a bit of time, but trust me, I will get back to you.
Yeah.
All right. So, I mean, we got GamerCon out of the way, but not quite because we're still going to touch it. But
if you were to be interested in GSX, in GamerCoin, where's the entry? Where's the entry now?
Well, to be honest, where is it?
This one.
Oh, thank you, my man.
Yeah.
So, guys, we've bought here. Our first ever buy was here.
Yeah.
Then we sold here, and we bought back here, and then ever since I never sold, and then it just held through all this pump. And you can go to our first ever GHX chart. That it just went parabolic. Now the next move will be to this area right here. This is where it's going to be some nice PA around there. Likely that we get something like this. You know, it definitely will happen.
It should. I hope that it does.
Yeah,
I hope that it does.
Same here, to be honest. Same here. And then just accumulate a bit more, and then off to new all-time high. Because then there is absolutely nothing
20%
around.
Again. 20% again.
Yeah. Back on back. Yesterday it closed the day at 53%, which is absolutely insane. And it's beautiful. In my opinion, this is beautiful. It's doing amazing. Gala as well, by the way, fucking 20%, and we wanted to trade it. Fucking but we cannot be mad because we bought Tatsu and that shit printed as well. So
the Gala was an easy pick.
Yeah, 100%.
Hot industry breakout. 100%. Just the market trend overall was bullish.
Yep. That's why holding Pano comfortably, man. Holding Pano super comfortably as gaming is. You see that whenever a big cap regarding gaming starts to move, then you already know that money will soon flow onto other gaming coins, right?
Yeah.
And with the launch of Pano coming in the next 2 weeks, within the next 2 weeks, it's just going to be even more, you know. I regret waiting for the checks correction when it was 0.04. You know, bro. There are enough chances that's gonna come along the way. We have a pre-sale that I'm gonna show now, an LBP liquidity boost program that's gonna happen on another coin like Tatsu. So we're gonna touch on that later. So guys, please stay on the stream. We're gonna touch on that later. It's also going to be working on Tao's subnetworks or subnets. And we're gonna research the tokenomics here together with you guys, and perhaps invest a little bit or not, you know.
We see some guys that are now in profit with you see Gala. Profit in Gala.
What is your price target for Gala? See, the thing is with Gala, will it touch all-time high again? Maybe. I don't know. I don't think so. I think the most that it will touch will be the 20 cent, 30 cent area. And it's not because I'm bearish. It's because all of the tokens, like the FDV now is high, the fully diluted valuation. You know, here it had a small supply of tokens. The supply of tokens now it's much more larger. So it's not going to be the same explosive move as you might, expect. Though we're seeing today already 20%. So who knows that we reach all-time high once again, right? But so far, if you're in profit, enjoy. Maybe start scaling out once we start like nearing this area over here, and start moving maybe to other projects and leave a little bag, leave a little moon bag for yourself just in case. Just because of that, right? Don't be an XRP holder, that's for sure. Don't be that guy.
But study the behavior in the breakout. We saw GHX with the breakout, like very little stairs of little accumulation phases, and then followed by intense pump upwards. Yeah. So you do want to track this breakout, and if it just starts slowing down, then you might want to invest in other long-term positions, or just look at some strategy there.
100%, 100%, 100%. So let's see if we can get a little chart, you know. So here, 5 cents. I mean, it's a joke. I told you guys it would touch here. It touched, and then it pumped right away.
It's now at
14 cents, and this was, when was this? 13th of February. Maybe I shouldn't go that far. Maybe we should go here.
Yeah, 14.9.
Yeah, so see, it touched right here as I showed you on the previous one, and then from there it actually is right now about like here, you know. It's quite insane. And let's see where it's at. Yeah, this as well, 7 cents. You know, this was clear because this was the same pattern as here. So this pattern was the same one as here, you know. It's a reaccumulation right before breakout, and that's exactly what you want to see in coins like this, you know, like an explosive breakout. And here there's one, guys, that I want you really like, this one. Come on.
Yeah, that was the perfect timing,
bro. That was actually the fucking perfect timing, because here I say, guys, you know, it's gonna happen. And then if you go to the chart now, it happened.
Yep.
It happened.
Nothing else to say here.
Exactly. I mean, there's really not much else to say. And I said, by the way, the same about Veracity. You know, we grabbed the chart of Coty. I don't know if you have it over here. Can you tap in Coty? Thank you very much. So I grabbed this chart and I showed you, and Veracity did exactly what we said it would do.
With Coty, that's what I mean with aggressive breakout.
Yeah, exactly. That's what you want to see.
If you're seeing this gold candles, of course you don't sell. Yeah. It's just a neckline of this accumulation.
See, so you see this happen, and then you're like, okay, there's a pattern. And guys, this is exactly where you want to be looking at. Coins that are in the right industry, that are in the right, price action, and lagging behind. So, for example, one great example here would be YGG. Thank you, Kai, for this this
call out.
Yes, sir. Thank you. So you can see already that once this area is left, we are literally going to be going off at least to this like area right here, you know.
Easy.
Definitely easy.
And that's like 2.5x or something.
Yeah, you got it. 154%. So that's the gap where we will be looking at, you know. So try to find these charts. Try to find the coins that are in the right industry, lagging behind, that will perform like this. And if you just look at this, right, in hindsight, it was looking like it would do this kind of move,
Yeah.
I said it, I cannot find out the chart, but I said it that this weekly, like here, it was looking exactly like this one, and this one. That we have 2 weeks green and then 1 or 2 weeks that are meh, to say the least, right? And now we have this week that's actually fucking pumping insane, and it did like now already fucking 100%, in the weekly.
Yeah. So just a pure predictability, because you can see every time it has the same type of pump, same type of
Yeah. So try to find that. You don't have to be a genius for this. You don't have to be an expert on TA. This is what I did last bull market when I was still a fresh guy, and it worked for me perfectly, like absolutely perfectly. Find the laggers, find them that are in the right industry with the right tokenomics, right? I told you already, guys, with the tokenomics, but what you need to understand is every token that has at least 75% of the tokens in circulation will pump like this. Absolutely will pump like this, and a great example actually would be Sui network. Let's see.
Sui.
Yes.
Something about Sui, right?
Yeah, one of our projects that we invested in is going to launch on Sui network.
Yes.
And that is quite bullish. But for example, this is a 281%, but now they're going to be having massive unlocks of tokens. So their FDV will be raising a lot, and the market cap will be raising a lot while they are staying at the same price point. So that's a token I would not touch for trading, but I would touch the tokens that are on the ecosystem, right? So that's a little bit of what we want. Do you have Tatsu on this here, or we just grab it from here?
Yeah, we have it. Let's just type it in.
Yes, sir. Okay, so where is Tatsu? Not on BNB. I want this.
Click one.
What is this? Oh, this is the ETH. I want the USD for the people to understand, which would be this one. Alrighty.
Study this chart. What are you doing?
Yeah. So. Yeah, this is easy. Now we're gonna have here easy accumulation. This chart, this candle is already looking like a reversal.
Yep.
and we had it over here, we had it over here, you know, and then just continues straight up, right? Yesterday it had a dump of, I think it was 28%, 30%, but that's logical, you know. Sui. Sui. Yeah, he knows why, you know, I always say Sui. And yeah, so this is a reversal. And tomorrow, great news coming out. I think it was something regarding the exchange, which, guys, go to their Twitter. They're having like a giveaway for the person that actually guesses the exchange where we're going to get listed at. So make sure to do that. And buying here, guys, you're already getting a quite nice discount, because by the time you get to the all-time high, you would have made already a nice 60% for yourself.
Yeah, understand this is big for the current market phase and the current fees that are now at the ETH, the gas fees. That's a real problem for smaller investors, right?
Yeah, 100%.
So I've got some friends that wanted to get an entry in 0KN, but purely because of the gas fee, they're waiting on.
Today is actually low. Today is actually low, but yeah.
Bro, 70, right?
I know, but throughout the week it has been fucking. You know,
you have an ETH like a altcoin trading back, and that it went like 300 up, and it's like, okay, it's not much. Going down here now. I want to move this asset. Yeah. And then you see the gas fee of 100. You're like, should I do it? Should I wait? Right?
Exactly. So the thing is, try to find maybe some people that want to buy with you at the same time, right? And then you can, split the transaction costs, which actually will help you guys, everyone. But if not, choose wisely. You'll never know which coins will perform better than the others, only until afterwards. Sadly, that's how it is. But if you just do that, then you're going to be good. And the ones you choose, make sure you've done the research as well, and then bought with like a decent size so that it becomes actually profitable. Yeah. And that's exactly what you want to be doing. And then if we actually take a look at this pattern over here, let's see if I can find the brush. Yes, right. So this pattern will likely be something like we saw here or here, right? This will be definitely something that's going to happen. And then in the coming days, $100 will be tapped, and then even maybe $200 to $300 will be tapped. And the team just fucking went public. So the team now has made themselves public. Right fucking narrative, which is AI. And as I said in the beginning, for the people that weren't here, there's going to be this NVIDIA hosted AI event where a lot of crypto projects that are based on AI are going to be going there. So make sure, guys, that you keep that in mind, that coins like this will actually be performing even better. And the thing why Tatsu is going so high, it's because 80% of the tokens are in circulation, first of all. Second of all, there are only 1 million tokens, literally 1 million. So there's no more tokens going to be minted anymore. So it's going to make it even more scarce, you know. And imagine later on they want to implement a burn mechanism. It's going to be insane. It's absolutely going to be insane. Though I don't think they will do that, but this chart is just showing pure momentum.
But people don't think this is possible anymore because they are too late or something.
That's the thing. I really don't understand that. And earlier I was looking in the chat of Tatsu, and it pissed me off that there are these fucking newbies coming along. Like, oh, why is it dumping? Motherfucker, that shit fucking pumped 15x in like 1 week. Like,
they only look at hourly or daily price action.
Exactly.
Not at the bigger picture or the market stage is in.
Yeah. So it's like, oh, but the whales are selling. They know something. I want to keep this as a family-friendly content, but please, guys, be careful, because this means one thing. If we're looking at it as in a high-level perspective, it means that newbies are starting to come in. People that have no fucking clue of how the market works will be joining, and they are here. It happened with FGPU. I've never seen so many stupid people in one chat. I swear to God, guys, I have never in my life seen that before. So,
but we do need them eventually.
They are our exit liquidity. They will be our exit liquidity. So, keep that in mind.
I see a question from Dirk. Are you guys selling some GSX to buy lower eventually?
That is a good question. One thing I was telling to Robin like 10 minutes ago, actually right when I arrived at his place, is that traders always outperform holders. Sorry, the other way around. Holders always outperform traders. While we try to time the markets, we don't try to time the projects, right? We've been, I don't want to use the word lucky, but we've been blessed that we've been quite accurate in the past months with timing this kind of projects, with this kind of moves.
But whatever happens. But we did calculated moves. We did rational analysis.
Yes.
And also behind us, before we started buying all these projects, we are already planning.
Yeah.
And now we are reflecting on our previous plannings.
Yes.
Is this still the most rational path towards like a solid portfolio on the long term?
Perhaps we can touch it, we can touch a bit on it. And I don't know if they can see it, to be honest.
It's a bit glossy, so we can keep it short for this, but
yeah, I don't
eventually.
know. I don't know if they can see it, to be honest. Well,
explain.
yeah. So we have a bunch of projects that we're invested in, right? USA, 0KN, Realio, Gamercoin, DRO, which is Hydro, which is a project that's going to be launching really soon, and then Pano here at the bottom, right? We noted down all of the prices that they were at the time we were doing this, which was I think 1.5 weeks ago.
Yeah.
And so 60 cent, 128, 87 cent, 7 cents, 0.015, which is what, 1.5 cents, and 7.5 cents for Pano. Well, some of these have already doubled, so Realio, Gamercoin, and Pano have done incredibly well. GHX doubling, Realio going above $1.16, and Pano above 10
What's
cents.
written here? What number?
Here?
Yeah.
87 cents.
87 cents, and it's now around 115.
116. Well, I think now it dumped a little bit, but I think, yeah, now it's $1.10. Still fucking
87 to $1.10.
It's quite insane. GHX doubled. You guys can see it already now in the chat. And then Pano is now above 10 cents with huge fundamentals, like huge fundamentals. All of them have huge fundamentals, though this one is lacking behind. 0KN is lacking behind, and USA is just having a lot of pre-seed sellers. But once those are done, which are going to be end next month, then this is going to be going nuts.
Yep.
And now it's just around, here it was 58 cents. I think now it's 50 cents. So it did dump a little bit, but if we take into consideration all of the price action here happening, we're winning massively, especially with Tatsu that we didn't add here. So that's a little bit here what.
That's the story, guys.
Yeah, that's a little bit here of what's going on.
A tip from us: if you have a long-term portfolio, keep on reflecting on the portfolio, whether it's still rational to hold it.
Yeah.
And look at the fundamentals. Are the fundamentals like not temporarily changed or a bit bad?
Mm-hmm.
Just keep holding it.
Yeah.
But something is really problematic. If it's something really problematic, then you might want to plan on selling it, right?
Yeah.
So that's the thing you do with the long term. And don't look at it like a trading bag. Don't say, oh, I'm gonna cash some out. Don't even think about it. Just only do this.
Yeah.
Just reflect on your rational analysis from the past.
Yeah.
Write things down and plan ahead.
Exactly. So before continuing, Igor, till the next time, watch the stream whenever you get home, bro. And share it.
Bro.
I want you to share it. And but for what he was saying, make sure one thing we do is every month we check the monthly charts of our projects, and we do rational investigation on what happened, did it perform good, why didn't it perform well, what is the team doing, how is the team working, next milestones. That will help you be better with your investment and how you spread your money across different projects, right? And I was talking with nobody in the morning earlier, and if you guys want to take risks just like we did, make sure that, let's say you have 7 projects, right, on your portfolio. Make sure that you have 3 projects that are safe. So, for example, our safe projects are Realio, Gamercoin, and GHX. And then with those 3, we can allow ourselves to take risks with other coins, such as Tatsu, that actually now has become one of the safe projects, right? And then from that, we actually managed to take risks for, like, for example, FGPU or USA or all the other trading bags that we do sometimes, right?
Yeah.
So try to do that for yourself. Try to be rational. Try to be, have like this flow of yourself of like, okay, how can I become better? How can I do stuff better, right?
But
So
you want to have two segments. So pros for trading bags, and whenever you have a big win with your trading bags, okay, you can do it in another very potential, high profitable trade.
yep.
But don't think, Quotum is sharing a very high profitable trade. I'm now holding a lot of Riolio. I'm gonna sell some Riolio for a quick trade.
No,
That's risky.
that's really risky.
For me, the 80%, 20% rule applies, where 20% I'm with, constantly trading with. And eventually, trades like Tatsu are now becoming maybe a long-term position or becoming a new inflow for my long-term position. So imagine just from 2K I make 10K. Yeah, then a few thousands of these dollars are going to my long-term portfolio, Riolio, because I see Riolio doing like at least a 15x.
Yep.
So a 50x from like 5K would mean 75K.
Yeah, it's a lot of money that you can make.
Right.
And let's be honest, I think if Aziz is here in the chat, which I think he might be hearing, I put quite a bit of money on the Tatsu trade, and within 1 week, I made basically a year's salary for an average worker here in the Netherlands. You know, this you cannot do it anywhere else, to be honest, besides crypto. And for all these fake people, I saw one video on Instagram saying that crypto is a place for noobs to make money and dream. Those guys have no fucking clue. The guys that tell you, invest only on your on stocks, on companies that generate cash, shut the fuck up.
No, they can also say stocks is gambling because you cannot see in the future.
Exactly. You can go check banks now, and their stocks are absolutely fucking plummeting. You know, go check there's this Deutsche Bank. I don't know. Yeah, Deutsche Bank, exactly. Check their stocks. Check the New York Stock Exchange. You know, check their bank. Check how they're going. You know, and you're gonna tell me about Bitcoin. Oh no, but Bitcoin is in a bubble. Man, if you don't understand how this market goes, then I'm sorry, you just are not gonna make it. I explained a lot of people already that in crypto you have this spectrum of users, right? Of investors. You have the super stupid, the smart, and the super smart.
Yeah.
Trust me, guys. Let me look at the camera. You don't want to be in the middle. You don't want to be the smart guy. You either want to be in the super stupid or the super smart, right? That's what you want to be at, right? And there's a small reason why. Because in this market, you cannot be logic. You have to be rational, but you don't have to use logic. You don't have to use the techniques that other people are using it on other markets, right? You need to adapt to this market, which is a fast evolving market.
Yeah, and if you don't have any exposure yet in Tatsu, I see some questions in the YouTube chat. So what I would recommend is, if I were to invest, I would look at my trading bags, like how much have I left to trade within Tatsu, and then look at just it develop. Because when it becomes a big bag, then you can send something to your long term again. But there's coming some real big updates, like exchanges, conferences with AI where they discuss this project.
Exactly.
So that will definitely pump up the price. So
100%.
You can still make a lot of gains with it, and that's a solid
floor. It's a solid floor for your. You know, it will allow you to take riskier investment approaches towards other projects that will actually allow you, you know, to make more gains or lose them. You know, it's the game is the game. Sadly, you know, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. And you know, we've been doing this since August, and the only loss we've had was yesterday, which was FGPU. So we're quite happy, you know. We're absolutely quite happy. Oh, Aziz is in the chat. Yes, bro. Tatsu. Yeah, I already put some in.
Sounds good.
Yeah, bro. That guy, he didn't flinch. He saw Tatsu. He didn't flinch.
He's really sharp,
bro. He was on it. He was on it.
I hope he got some GXX as well, and maybe some Riolio.
He had some Riolio. He told me he had some Riolio. He had some nice games with Riolio.
You're ready, fam. Hey, don't sell it. Don't sell it for trading back for a whoop or some meme coin.
No.
Huh?
I think he has some meme coins, to be honest.
Okay, fair enough. But
he's
not with your long-term backs.
I have him in the super smart area because he knows about the market. He's been in the market, you know.
Don't test me.
Yeah. No way I will miss it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But
stay on the train, bro.
Yeah. Also bought at $10 now. Dumped one more ETH inside. Oh!
Hey!
Wait! I clocked it. Matthias is nobody. I clocked it.
Hey!
Yeah, I clocked it.
Are you leaking his name now?
Yeah. You licked my name, I'm licking his name.
Yeah. Also on the stream, you saw my full
Yeah,
name
yeah,
on Twitter. My account with
yeah.
my full name.
Hey, Matthijs, I got you. See you
Found you. We finally found you.
I got him. I got him. I got him.
back.
I got him. I got
Don't
him.
worry, I will just remove his mask.
I'm not gonna say how I got him. He knows. He knows.
He'll
But
get
I
him
got-
back. He'll get Omar back.
Yeah. Strike. But yeah, in all seriousness, try to be, on the spectrum. Try to be on the either both ends. Don't be on the center. Don't be on the
Right.
center.
Okay, let's look into the tokens, the altcoins. Right.
Sorry, which ones? Yeah. Well, let's start with the ones that people sent on our Instagram, right?
Yeah, I posted the request, so you can see it as well, Omar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, we have actually quite nice activity. So, I think one was Reef. So let's start with Reef.
All right.
Uh-huh.
Do your thing.
Let's go. By the way, Matthijs. Oh, wait. Since now I clocked it, he already saw the. Which one was it? The panel update. So that's good.
Cool.
Reef. Okay, let's do the weekly because it's where you want to be looking at.
Where
Okay.
did you find this, man? Holy shit.
I'm not touching it. And there's a simple reason why I'm not touching it. KSI dumped it, so he promoted it. There's a video about it, guys. And yeah, by the way, Matthijs, thank you, bro. You guys are the real G's on this one. So, but yeah, I personally, I'm not gonna touch it. There's a long-term double bottom here on the weekly chart, so that's good. But there are just way too many resistance points.
I'm curious what the volume is, like the normal.
The normal volume.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'll type it in.
yes, sir.
Oh, typo.
Volume. Okay, well, volume is actually nice.
Not the hype I wanted to see.
Yeah.
Like a massive green candle, and the rounded bottom can be because big influencer promoted it,
Yeah.
and it doesn't mean it will pump explosively like GHX or something.
Yeah.
So be sure to watch confirmation, the breakout, or a retest and then confirmation,
Yeah.
and then you can trade on it if you like.
Yeah.
But
It's just,
I'm not touching it either. I think.
no, I'm not touching. It will likely just give gains, but
Welcome, Danny.
Yes, sir. But there's way too many. It's way too many, and the fame that it has now just because of that video from CoffeeZilla. If you guys don't know who CoffeeZilla is, please make sure to check him out. He exposes all of these scams, not only on crypto but also on stocks, on B2B trading, all that kind of bullshit. But this is what you are looking at, and if you actually look closely, this kind of resembles itself with GHX. But the thing is with GHX, it's in the right narrative, it's in the right industry, you know, and that's why we've seen such an explosive move happen here, right? So that's why. And I'm not sure what industry is Reef. So let's actually have.
But this based upon like the updates of the company itself, not real like shillers or a bit fishy, promotion, right?
Mm-hmm. So what is it? Binance Launch Pool, BNB Harmony ecosystem, but I cannot see on which category. Binance Launch Pool, but there's nothing really literally I can do with that information. So you already know it's not telling me much. It's not telling me much. But if we go here, these are the targets, and it's quite simple. You always take the liquidity points that I was teaching you guys on. I think it was 2 videos ago on the market update topic. So this is how you want to chart, especially in a bull market. Don't do fancy pennants, bull flags whatsoever. Always zoom out weekly and see which charts are looking the best.
Yeah.
But as I said, it looks familiar as the GHX chart. Is just I'm not sure on which industry it's in, right? So it's gonna make it quite difficult for me to understand. Okay, is there hype? Is there volume? Is there money coming in?
Yeah.
And I know that Gamercoin, it's not only gaming, but it's also AI, it's also depping, it's also, burning fees. It has great tokenomics. So that's a little bit how it is.
Invest in what you deeply understand, right?
Sorry, exactly.
Yeah.
That's at least my philosophy.
Yeah.
Which has been good,
Except if it's a trade or something.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah. If the chart looks good, then of
Look
course.
at data.
Yeah. On long-term investment projects, then we tend to be more careful where we put our money at.
Yep.
All right. I think the next one was Polkadot, which I know it was from Vince.
Yeah.
And this is exactly what we said. You know, I predicted this. I was bearish here. I'm not gonna lie, I was bearish, but now we're seeing
the Bitcoin down.
Yeah, now we see that there's actually some momentum happening, and this is gonna happen. I said it in the group, and this is absolutely gonna happen. And this is what we said, by the way, guys. This is a lagger. We've seen all layer ones pumping hard. Avalanche, Solana, Rune, right? So those are now all pumping, and you can see this one lagged. But now it's actually pumping.
Is the performance of the ecosystem itself solid for that?
No, because a lot of coins are actually leaving. But I know that Polkadot has had a round where they were borrowing their coins, Polkadot, so that they could run validators and become a parachain of Polkadot.
But you do understand the vision of
Polkadot? Polkadot.
Yeah, for investing in Polkadot.
Oh yeah. But I wouldn't, because the ROI is just not talking to me.
Okay.
And it's also like really big. It's in billions in market cap. And
yeah, if I had like
I would trade
some spare dollars, like 3K left, and my long-term positions are really solid. Yeah, I could maybe do a
it's a safe play, you know. It's a safe play. That's how I would categorize this one.
I can see this go to the top of this.
I would too. Although I think it had also some unlocks along the bear market. So maybe keep an eye on that.
Fair.
So yeah, Polkadot is still going great. If you guys, whoever is watching this video and did not join our Telegram channel, please do so. Oh, massive! That's Aziz. That's my guy right there. That's my guy right there.
He knows.
Yeah. He's there. Okay, Veracity. Let's go to the Veracity. Although it's just exactly the same. We call the breakout.
Did the chart change?
No, but we called the breakout before it happened because we compared it with Coty. I have an insane good photographic memory. So,
but here we thought that we are interested in the project, right?
Yeah.
We were interested, but we didn't have like 10K somewhere.
No, but we did have 5K, which went into Tatsu, and performed way better than that. And performed way better than that. Yeah. So, but it's still good, you know. For long term, it's.
Yep.
For long term, maybe I'm not touching it yet, just because of the POV marker tokens, because it's still kind of when is it going to happen? When is it not going to happen? But for trading, you know, for a short term hodl, it's quite nice.
So, what criteria are you looking at if you were to get some exposure in Veracity for the long term?
Yeah. TA wise or
is it this possibility still?
That to get in?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Would you do it?
No.
No? Why
not yet.
Just because that was your most favorite project in the last cycle. You made some big bangs on it.
I was in love with this project.
Yeah.
I was in love. I'm not gonna lie. I almost married this bag.
Yeah.
I almost did.
I want to buy some merch. They have a merch store coming soon.
Yeah. No, but the thing is, it changed. They were not being transparent. There were too many red flags, and we just took the approach of scaling out, which it paid off. You know, it paid off. At least on my end, it paid off, because what I sold, I bought Tatsu with it, and I bought GHX with it, which has become one of my biggest bags that I now have.
But I've looked at my old portfolio, and I see here, I'm not going to show everything, but if I were to hold the position of Veracity, I would now have like $22,200. So that would have been nice, but now I've got more because of the trades I did and the long-term switch I did.
And that's the mentality you guys should have. If you guys have a long position and you've seen that there's a fundamental change, please.
The updates were shit.
Exactly. The roadmap was underwhelming as fuck.
Yeah.
And then the POV.
Everyone dumped.
No transparency. The CTO document that was not saying shit.
This was a serious dump.
Yeah. But just because of all of that, the POV tokens. But nevertheless, now it made it out of the range.
Yeah. Congrats to the holders, man.
Yeah.
70% down.
Yeah. But we sold.
If this was my biggest bag. If you go 70% down, you're like, fuck,
bro.
Right.
Like we could go in.
Would I have wanted that? No.
You know, I guess in one day we can go deeper into it, because I also have a lot of it, and at one point 70% of my portfolio was Veracity.
Yeah.
So it's not the case anymore, thankfully.
No, sir.
Okay, now let's go to the next one. Guys, please make sure you leave also a chart that you want us to check, so we can check it.
Feel free, guys.
Okay, let's go to the next one, which is chain link. Do you have it around here? Or
I've got so many, bro. Yeah.
oh yeah, here. Sorry. Well, chain link, I called the top perfectly because I marked it at $20 and it touched it and then boom, went down. And what you want to see now is just some nice follow through, you know, like to continue to push up. Just basically like what Realio did, you know, basically have a accumulation right under resistance and then scam week everyone and then go. And that's what happens here, and that's what's
Look at that scam week there. The last candle.
Bro, it's insane.
Look at the last candle.
Yeah, but this is now the next target, because here people got absolutely fucked. And then if we go to Realio, which is here, it did the same back then here. Actually, you guys would be able to see it on the daily chart. See here, everyone got scammed on this candle.
Guys, don't think we're gonna range here.
No.
Don't think we're gonna range here. Don't get fooled.
No, on this candle right here, people got absolutely fucked. Let's do this. Yeah, on this candle right there where the arrow is pointing at,
they sold their backs to me.
Absolutely fucked.
I ball up all the dips for you guys.
Yeah, and listen, like, let's get this back to where it was. Oops. Oh, sorry, because I use always MacBook, so I'm kind of used to that shit.
Come on.
Yeah, exactly. But have a look, man. Have a look. People got scammed the fuck out here. They really got scammed. And then we called here and here. We called this double bottom. We called it. It was perfect.
It's not even touching the bottom range, and people are already panicking.
No,
they don't deserve it.
Exactly. Because people failed to understand that this was a accumulation area. People really failed to understand that.
Yeah.
And look at it now.
What's this? There was your last chance.
Yeah, a double bottom. People thought it was a double top, but listen, I've been enough in this market to understand that this wasn't going to be a double top. Nope. And I called the double bottom on the chat, so you guys make sure to go there and see that. And it's there. And now look at this. We're off to the races.
Sorry.
We're off to the races. Look at that. Inverse head and shoulders.
What did you say about being close to the all-time high instead of just being at the bottom and then like a huge all-time high point?
That's yeah. So
that's a good one for this one.
In my opinion, you know, what you should always do is like, so you take the bottom until the breakout of the neckline, which is now around 20x. So if we take it till here and we do another 20x, ooh, I went kind of far there. This is
be generous. Oh.
This is a calculated move. But because we understand that the industry where it's at, we understand the tokenomics, we understand the products coming out, this is an easy 10x if everything continues to go. So
you're selling at that price?
At this price
$5 to $2?
Hell no.
No?
I'm gonna start scaling out.
What exact price are you selling?
Exact. So I'm gonna start exiting the market for Realio at around $5.
Okay, so I'm going 490, guys. Everyone go 490 Realio.
Yeah.
Look at this guy.
Listen, you guys are going to be buying higher.
Your dump is backs.
No. You guys are going to be buying higher because of how high it goes. But trust me, you want to be scaling out starting at that price because it's going to be going.
But the real test was don't have price targets.
Yeah. Don't have
Please don't have price targets.
No.
That's the only L I took in the last bull cycle.
100%.
Yeah.
100%.
Don't do it.
Nope. Perhaps now we can start touching on...
And also, certainly not psychological price levels, like $5, $1. Keep away from those guys.
Yeah.
Because they're gonna fuck you up.
Yeah. Retail investors do look at that. We don't.
No. Aren't you retail?
Me?
Yeah.
I've been a long time no retail. Okay. So
now we're gonna show some heat, guys.
Logging in. We don't want to show our
leak
account.
More info now.
Shit, I'm leaking myself now because there was my name
Is this the right account?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on. Yeah, because you see this.
Hey.
But
we have a premium, guys. Don't worry.
Yeah. We have premium. He paid.
Yeah.
Okay, charging. Yay. Okay, so this is one indicator that he found out, and I loved it. I absolutely loved it. It's one that we can use together with the Nupal, and because Nupal might be invalidated this market this time around, or not. I wouldn't use invalidated. I would use more as a just indicator that shows, hey, we're kind of heated. Be careful, you know.
Yeah.
That's how I would describe it. But this one will also say the same, but it will show that, hey, there's 1 month time, 2 month time that you know it's gonna be quite interesting. There's going to be a lot of you know, price action gonna a lot of price action happening, and yeah, this one I like it a lot. This one I actually like it a lot. And yeah, as
Do
you
you
can
see any color flashing yet, Omar?
No.
Because every retail investor from Tatsu says I need to sell.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna sell.
Yeah.
I don't want to look at all these charts and data.
Yeah, no, it doesn't say much,
Oh.
bro. They're going to be fucked.
Yeah.
They're going to be fucked.
Just a nice reminder to do look at data.
Yeah. Do look at data. Do look at on-chain data. But guys, I'm telling you, I've seen this chart also.
Your
many
last
times.
chance.
I've seen this chart also many times.
This is gonna haunt you for the rest of your life if you don't buy.
100%. And I'm telling you, I've seen this chart so many times. Candles like this so many times.
I personally drive by your house and sell my Tatsu back.
Yeah, you know where I live.
Yeah. Okay,
But
can
yeah.
go back to a glass note.
To glassy. So orange, pretty self-explanatory, huh? It means overheating and means be careful. And blue, bottom, which were way far off. We're literally like way far off.
Are we in a bull market, Omar?
I've been saying that for fucking 2 months now.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I still think we're in a bear market. Yeah.
You really think that?
No.
Oh. Motherfucker got me good. Okay, let's go to the next one. Maybe you can explain us which one you like the most.
The pi cycle has been validated and has been respected every fucking cycle top.
Well, not on GamerCoin.
Not on the GamerCoin, yeah, indeed. But the pi cycle is a crossover of an EMA, and the crossover has been extremely accurate, and has also been used in other industries. But apart from that, just look at the pi crossover, and you might want to show it in the Bitcoin chart to actually, so you guys don't understand I'm bullshitting. So here,
Yeah, and you should put also the weekly, by the way.
yeah, of course.
Yeah.
You see how accurate it is every top, and now there's not a line included, like a line where you see the crossover happening up front.
Mm-hmm.
But if you want to see the side crossover up front, yeah, you can see it here. And guys, it's been extremely accurate.
Yeah.
So it's not close to getting a crossover yet. So yeah, just hold on your backs now.
100%. 100%. Oh, and our favorite one, right? Which is the altcoin index indicator, you know?
Yeah.
That's not on Glassnode, but I show it a lot often. And we're still so early for the alt season. We haven't had no alt season yet.
Yeah.
And once that happens, guys, it's going to be biblical.
And understand, guys, this is a new type of market. This is a market of bigger investors joining in early instead of retail investors, and then some media promoting it, and then some smaller companies or some extreme right companies only buying. Now it's reversed, because the companies buy first and then retail is gonna join. So what you see here is that the 100k plus wallets are fucking dominating this current market.
Yeah, we've had due to the ETF, we've had a lot of fucking people joining the markets, especially with like big fucking money, you know. And by the way, just to touch on Aziz, listen, Tatsu is definitely gonna go fucking nuts, and tomorrow will be interesting indeed with the announcement. I don't know if it's going to be related to the exchange, but it's definitely going to be something to look out for. And you might actually be right, because they've been already active on Twitter, and yeah, I think it might be that. So guys, make sure to go to their post regarding the sex listing, right? To guess which exchange we're going on, because if you guys guess it right, you will have a chance on winning 10 Tatsu tokens, which is around, this price is around, I think, $500.
Yeah.
So yeah,
It's a lot of fucking money.
it's money. It's definitely money. So yeah, make sure to go do that, guys. I did it. He did it. I hope you did it. Did you do it? No,
I will do it. I was eating chicken and rice.
So do it. So go ahead and do it, guys.
But guys, deeply understand what the market movers are and what they're gonna do. And don't be surprised, and be upfront with this.
Yep.
Look at the data points, look at what the data is telling you. If you see the bigger wallets are dumping, fucking run, guys.
Yeah.
If you see the bigger wallets dumping, and not just one, you want to see around the top, because every time it's been around the top.
Yep.
And now, because of the high volume of people with bigger wallets, it's gonna be more rounded and not like like it's not gonna change upon you in like a second.
Nope.
But it can go fast, of course.
It will definitely go faster as well.
Yeah, more. Yeah, if you want to even segment it better and better, bigger companies with a lot of influence, like the ETF exchange from BlackRock.
Yeah.
I also looked into the bigger shareholders of mining companies, and the bigger shareholders of mining companies is BlackRock. So you can see more or less the holdings of BlackRock and their revenue. Because what this is showing, I will zoom in. This is like a segmented version where you see the miner revenue. And whenever the miner revenue skyrockets and then pushes down, it's the top. And you see it's earlier than the actual top of where the retail people see the top. So you can see up front what the miner peak is, and then you guys should know that you should run. You should fucking run.
Time to fuck off.
Yeah, because this is I don't see this BlackRock only, of course. I'm not a wokey, but just something. It's not guesswork, but these are all the miners. This is data on all the miners, and the miners are 24/7 looking into Bitcoin and 24/7 dependent on Bitcoin for its revenue stream. And these are bigger companies with multi-digit employees, so you do want to look into this.
Yeah, and one of the key indicators that I skipped on last bull market is you go to the Google Store or to the Apple Play Store, and you look at this, right? This basically says that if Coinbase, if Binance, if any crypto exchange app is trending, means retail is here. If retail is here, get the fuck out of the markets. Get the fuck out of the markets. So make sure you keep that also track. We're gonna keep track of it. We are pretty analytical guys. So that hope that you will give us notice when the big boys start selling, brother.
Of course,
brother. Come on. We've known each other already for, I don't know how long you've been in the chat, but already I think half a year maybe. So. Come on, man. We will definitely.
This is a segmented version of the bigger holders with the by far the biggest holders, the miners, and then just all the bigger hodlers, the influencers with the big money that like move markets, as well as the companies, its wallets. So be sure to hold that in account.
And then my favorite, one of my favorites.
You've been around the block?
No. Fuck that shit. I don't do that gangster shit. Yes.
It's a weird layout.
Yeah, definitely weird. So let's go to the year.
You love the Fair and Greed Index, huh?
Is this you?
Nah, bro, I'm not balling yet. And Matthijs, I don't know about your hairline, but I'm going to Turkey when we cash out. So if you want some group discount,
I think I might be.
QuotumC for 10% off.
I might be doing the same, to be fair. But we're seeing already, guys, that there's a rounded bottom coming. And happening, and we're leaving the Bitcoin year. So far, it can be that we go back in, but there's a lot of room.
Are you saying we're at the bottom?
For the fucking altcoin runs, yes. We haven't had an alt season yet. My hairline isn't the best.
Hey, brother, join in. You see Omar ROL, this in real life.
Hey, yo, what? You have more entries than I am.
Yeah.
No, I hide them, like I have this, and I hide.
This is gonna predict the bull market, One big pump and then just two dumps. That's like a market stage. Yeah.
My hairline isn't the best, is it?
It was always there.
Shit, man.
Not in my head, on my head. Yeah.
Fuck. Oh man.
What's your little chart telling?
Well, little. It ain't little. But listen.
Send Tiggy for. Okay. Send Tiggy for ticket to Antalya, bro. We're going to. We're not going to that 5-star resort for the Dutchies again.
Listen, we're going to the Cristiano Ronaldo clinic that's in Madrid.
You're thinking in brokey holidays.
Yeah. No, but listen. This is going great. This is looking great. Once we start coming into this area, guys, then is when you start. Hey, I want to sell my shit. Once here, then it's like watch out mode. And listen, we're just left off, and it could be very well that we just get back here to this bottom range. But so far, altcoins haven't started yet. to run. Yes, our altcoins, thank God, thankfully, are running.
Everything Nota did is
Exactly. So our altcoins are running, and it's quite nice to see that happen. But this area hasn't been touched yet. So until then, we are primed to have one of the biggest altcoin seasons ever. And yeah, just listen. GHX.
You can remove the PySec indicator because otherwise we have to sell here.
Yeah. Well, thankfully.
Nobody don't sell yet. Okay.
Yeah, Matthijs. It's Matthijs.
Oh,
now.
Matthijs.
Now we got
Matthijs.
him. So now it's Matthijs. So yeah, it's looking good, man. I mean, GHX is going good. Veracity doing okay now. Realio massive breakout, and now we're like right at this area.
You think
right
that
here.
liquidity is a problem for
liquidity?
continuation?
No, because the biggest volume comes from MXC and not from OKX. Though there are some big OKX cells. But listen, we just got KYC range stated. We got Land Rush coming.
Hold on.
Exactly. There's
Yes,
a
sir.
lot of stuff coming in.
This is not going to be a problem.
Oh hell no.
We're not going to have the zero can effect here.
Oh hell
No?
No, listen. One thing I want to say again, and I hope this is the last
You
time.
sound like a hater in zero can, man.
No. I made money with 0k, and I'm still 5x up. It's just I wish PA was saying other things, you know. But at the moment, it's just it's not saying much. It's just sort of like stagnating it. But I think, to be honest, looking at this, we might have an inverse head and shoulders. You know that once we pump and actually manage to close above here, it's gonna have like a little sideways and then pump.
But every week I get a WhatsApp. Should I leave?
Yeah.
But the fundamentals are too strong to get out of this range on the wrong side.
That's exactly what's happening.
It is strong enough to get out of this range at this side.
Yeah, 100%. And it can go quick, huh? We've seen doing a big ass move like this one.
It likes to move with surprises.
Yeah. So it did a 23x in 60 days, which is 2 months. Imagine it would do the same just now. For us, it would be like fucking insane, you know? So let's do this. And we said 23 would put us at right above 3 cents. That would be insane gains.
But they do handle things in the right order because a lot of companies first do marketing, then product, and then get run over by other more solid companies.
Exactly.
And this is on reverse, so that's better.
Yeah. It's just that it has the risks that it's having.
It won't take long anymore before the marketing starts, and then it's always there, right?
Yeah.
It's always incentivized by the team itself. The price.
Exactly. Yeah.
Right.
Actually, this got bought up quite quickly, you know, because it had a lot of FUD. But this could be actually a redistribution area, and then
it was a 50% drop, and I shared it.
Actually, it was more than that. It was way more than that.
Yeah.
You don't want to invest in a project that just started to have, it's a 66% drop in one day that it had.
Yeah. So it got a picture leaked of probably like an intern that was doing the marketing of like a warehouse of all their data and all their processing
and that was
power machines.
Copied and pasted by someone else that posted that same video on
TikTok. They copied the video of a random like what was it?
Of a data center.
Of a data center, which wasn't theirs, but it's like for content reasons, guys.
Yeah. So if they do that, I would definitely stay a bit away. And even that, it's 300 something market cap, 300 million something market cap. So the gains that you would be able to make with that, it's not really the same. And by the way, can we touch on Pano? Because we showed the video, but I want to show the chart. You know what I mean? So. Pano, they have DEX tools, DEX screen, but DEX tools is okay as well. So 2.6 million market cap, 9.5 cents, still ranging. It is still ranging, so nothing to worry about quite yet.
That's his variable.
That's why. Yeah.
I just want to highlight this.
Yeah.
I hope you guys
Pano,
too.
I go to go. Yes, sir. I hope you watched the little snippet of Pano that we showed. Maybe I'm just gonna record it on my MacBook and then send it to the group again. But this is ranging, guys. Once the range ends, this is going to go absolutely nuts, in my opinion. Right? So we've been ranging from this date here till today, which is around 20 days. I think that once the 1 month has passed, I think we're going to see some great stuff happening here. and it's gonna go way harder. I think the $1 will happen. I think from here $1 will be easy, which is just a 10x, and it can do it literally in no time, because we've seen already do this move from here.
What? 2 million market cap?
Yeah,
2.5 million?
yeah, it's nothing. It did 700x in 8 days, right? So it will happen. Now we see Gala going on. Now we see I don't know which one it was. K, which is Cryptopia, going as well, super nuts. We're seeing Metal going also super nuts. So once they start doing that, you see that money will flow to Panoverse as well, and then it's going to be absolutely off the charts. So yeah, we all have Pano, we all have hodled it. We're still hodling, and it's going great. It's going great. We cannot complain. It's going absolutely great.
Are they also gonna do like a sex listing soon? Or this year even?
I'm not sure we talked about it, but I'm gonna make sure that I ask that in the whale chat. So yeah, and you can see already it has a 99 out of 99 trust score on Dex tools. So just saying, today is quite slow on volume as well, but I'm telling you guys, here it was also slow on volume until all of a sudden it started to pump fucking hard. So with all of that being said, I don't know if we're done. I think we are done. We've been streaming quite a long time. If you guys have any requests, any questions, please make sure to ask them. And then yeah, I think we touched up on basically everything. All the charts we wanted to talk about, people's chart, on-chain analytics. So yeah. Yeah, let us guys know if this is everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still cool.
All right.
Yeah, let us know, let us know. And then, how long have we been live? Yeah, we've been 1 hour. Oh yeah, that's pretty well timed. Okay, so guys, hopefully you got all the information you guys.
Some of the watchers are thanking me 70% up with the GHX in like 1 day.
Is he on our group chat?
Yeah, it's the Danny guy.
What? Daniga?
Danny.
Oh, you use the L.
Hey, no.
I'm clipping that.
Like this guy.
Daniva. Oh, you Daniga.
Hey. You're not Spanish people cannot say you do not have to pass.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my god.
At least you have a mask. Right?
Oh, at least I have a mask, yeah. But yeah, guys, I hope you have a good one. I don't see any more questions happening, so yeah. Make sure, guys, to join our Telegram group, which is going to be exactly in the link below in the description. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you send this video and our chats to your friends and family.
But not your girlfriend, because that's dangerous.
Hey, my girlfriend is the best. She doesn't care about my money. So make sure your girlfriend is like that as well, guys. So yeah, make sure to share that. Make sure you help also the people around you. Make sure you bring them up with you. And until the next time, although we're always on our chats. So all right, guys, have a good one. Have a nice weekend. Cheers. And yeah, bye-bye. Peace.